One morning at Monkey's farm, he decided to harvest the strawberries in his field. With the harvester machine, he harvested very quickly. He harvested the entire field, but ended up with only one basket of strawberries.
Harvesting the corn takes a long time, but it's rewarding work.
But it seemed that the basket also contained some spoiled strawberries,
Oh, no.
so he needed to sort out and remove the bad ones.
Oh. Aha! Bye!
After thinking for a while, he ran into the barn to get a metal tray. The shelf looked quite messy, and it took him quite a while to find it. After getting the tray, the work quickly began.
Oh, this one's no good.
A few moments later.
After sorting out the spoiled ones, the good strawberries were put into the jam-making machine. He added the strawberries, poured in some sugar, and turned on the machine. The machine started running, blending the strawberries into a smooth mixture and cooking them until they thickened. Suddenly, the machine reported an overload, and Monkey had to quickly turn it off. After a while, the machine started working normally again. The freshly made jam was poured into jars. But the machine malfunctioned again, causing the jam to spill onto the floor. After cleaning the floor, Monkey went to get his tools to fix the machine.
Warning. Overheat.
After checking for the cause of the malfunction, he found out that the machine had overheated.
Wow!
After being repaired, the machine worked normally again. The freshly made jars of jam came out, filling the air with a sweet, delicious aroma. Now all that's left is to stick on the labels, and it'll be complete. A peaceful view of the sunny farm. Monkey rides on Tractor 1, and Harvester drives toward the radish field. All of a sudden, Monkey's phone buzzes with a meteor alert. Looking puzzled, he raises his eyes to the sky. A bright streak slices through the sky. A red meteor, wrapped in flame, rushes down. The meteor plunges from the sky toward the field. Boom! It crashes with a massive explosion. Monkey walks out with a sad face, kneels down, and stares into the crater. Harvester comes up with the idea to fill the crater and plant turnips. Monkey nods in agreement.
Hello?
Tractor 2 drives up to the crater and dumps soil into it. The hole gradually fills up. Harvester backs up to attach the tiller, then drives to the field and plows until the entire plot is ready. The soil plots are loosened and turned over. Next, Monkey grabs a bag of seeds, takes a handful, and tosses them onto the ground.
Oh my God!
Monkey looks shocked as a giant radish sprouts from the ground. It's even bigger than the vehicle. Monkey runs over and tries to pull it out, but even with all his strength, he can't uproot it. He has no choice but to call for help and contact section.
Okay.
Excavator arrives and uses his bucket to lift the giant radish. Excavator sets it down to the side, and Monkey jumps around happily, dancing with joy around the radish.
Goodbye.
A peaceful morning at the farm. Monkey goes out to check the vegetable garden and finds it covered with weeds.
Huh? I have a
He suggests
brilliant
using
idea
a
for the
flame weeder
farm.
to get rid of the
We
weeds.
can plant a new crop that will double our harvest this year.
Both came out the warehouse, and the flame weeder was also attached to the tractor. The flame weeder wasn't working. When Monkey checked, it turned out that it had run out of fuel.
Aha!
Howdy there. How's everything
He
down on
immediately
the
called the
farm?
tank truck to deliver
Okay,
fuel.
okay. Hello?
The tank truck quickly arrived, and the flame weeder was refueled.
Welcome to the farm. I'm so glad you could join us today.
Bye-bye.
The tank truck drove away, and the two got back to work. The flame from the flame weeder burned away all the weeds. all the weeds gone, the vegetables grew faster and healthier. Great job, everyone! Oh no, a big fire. What happened? Monkey and Harvester rushed over to check the situation.
Huh?
But the fire had grown too large and was no longer under control. And then the monkey reminisced for a moment. He recalled that at that time, he had been playing with his magnifying glass. At that moment, the tractor came by, called Monkey, and gave him a bunch of bananas. Monkey's eyes lit up at the sight of the bananas. He tossed the magnifying glass aside and ran on. The magnifying glass got stuck in a tree, unintentionally focusing the sunlight onto the dry leaves, causing the tree to catch fire.
Oh my God!
And from there, the entire orchard went up in flames. Realizing that he wasn't the cause, Monkey felt deeply regretful. Tractor came out of the barn, saw the situation, quickly attached the sprinkler system, and rushed into the orchard to put out the fire. The water from the sprinkler wasn't enough to put out the fire. What's more, the wind made the fire flare up even more fiercely. The tractor had to call the fire department to come and extinguish the flame. The fire department quickly arrived at the scene and began extinguishing the fire.
Yes, sir.
With the high-pressure hoses, the fire was quickly brought under control and completely extinguished.
Bye-bye.
Now the orchard was gone.
now-
Monkey felt very sad, but Tractor
Let's
suggested
plant
planting a
apple
new garden.
orchard together. Wow! Okay.
Monkey ran into the barn to grab a bag of seeds, while Tractor stayed outside and began plowing the garden. Every inch of soil was turned over to make planting easy. Then Monkey poured the seeds into the cedar. And Tractor attached it before heading out to the field to continue sowing. The seeds were sown evenly in neat rows. Over time, the seedlings began to sprout, and they grew rapidly. The apple orchard had returned to its original state. Well done, everyone.